Winter weather advisory for the entirety of the surrounding area. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service. Light rain will occur throughout Essex County. Temperatures below freezing will freeze the rain along with heavy snow occurring with the light rain. This will create a snowy mixture creating conditions that are dangerous. 6 to 12 inches of snow is expected with the mix. Plant the roads are not plowed fully. Sidewalks will face the same issue along if they are not properly salted. The winter weather advisory is in effect until 5:42 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Monday. This will also affect portions of New York and portions of Connecticut. Driving in these conditions is not recommended, but you can if you want to by choice. Stay tuned to media for information. Visit the National Weather Service website at https://www.weather.gov/.